In today's video, I'm going to teach you how do I connect Superbase to my Lovable I 2025. By the end, your Lovable app will be securely connected to a Supabase backend so your AI features can read and write data with confidence. First, make sure you're signed in to both platforms. Open your Lovable account in one tab, then sign in to your Supabase account in another. If you already have a Supabase project, great. Just note which organization it lives in. If not, don't worry, you can create one during the connection flow. A quick tip here, confirm you're using the correct workspace or organization in Supabase so you don't accidentally link the wrong project. Now switch to your Lovable project and head to the Settings or Integrations area. Look for the Supabase integration and click Connect Supabase. If you manage multiple Lovable projects, double check that you're inside the exact project you intend to connect. It keeps things clean and avoids mixing environments. Lovable will redirect you to the Supabase authorization page. If prompted, sign in to Supabase and approve the connection. This step lets Lovable talk to Supabase on your behalf and is required for the integration to work. If you have multiple Supabase accounts or browser profiles, make sure your active session is the one with access to the project you want to use. Next, you'll be asked to pick the Supabase organization and project to link with your Lovable app. Choose a project that will store your app's data. If you don't have one yet, follow the prompts to create a new project right here. Keep your naming clear and consistent so you can easily distinguish development and production later. After you confirm your selection, Lovable will handle the configuration for you. Behind the scenes, it sets the necessary connection details, securely wires up the credentials, and adds the environment variables your app needs. You don't have to copy or paste anything sensitive. Lovable and Supabase handle that securely. When everything is done, you'll see a confirmation message inside Lovable indicating the connection is successful. That's it. You've signed in, started the connection in Lovable, authorized access in Supabase, selected the correct project, and let Lovable finalize the setup. From here, your Lovable app is connected to Supabase and ready to use the database and services attached to the project you chose. If you ever need to change projects later, you can return to the integrations area in Lovable and repeat this flow with a new selection. Thanks for watching and enjoy building with Lovable and Supabase.